This is a quick demonstration of the Lunar Lander game that I programmed in the summer of 2014 for IST240 at Penn State University. Lunar Lander is a game uh, reprogrammed from 1980s Atari game. It's programmed in pure Java. The high scores are saved in XML, and the graphics are all taken from handmade and redistributable graphics. Anyway, take a look. Really basic 3 levels, easy, medium, and hard. Take a look at the game. The objective is to get the lunar vehicle to land on the launch pad. The game will simulate moon graphics, accelerating you faster and faster toward the moon's surface. You use the arrow keys on the keyboard to move the lunar lander and land the craft, and there's a limited amount of fuel. If you don't land the craft on the pad, then you lose. Your score is calculated by the amount of time you take and the fuel that you have left, and 840 wasn't enough to make high score. So pretty basic. The levels just increase, and the ability to land is based on your velocity. If your Y velocity meets the target of below 50, then you're allowed to clear that level. So pretty basic. I was going too fast. So you have to get the lander to totally hit the platform. It is a little bit challenging, hard to get used to, and it's been a little while since I've actually played it. There you go. And usually if you clear 1 or 2, you can get a couple levels cleared. Now, the higher levels, once you get some scores in here, that's still not enough to reach the high score. Escape will exit. You look at the high scores. High scores are pretty good. Some ridiculously high scores in the high score. Some of them not as high. In looking at playing on medium, the target velocity for Y, instead of being 50, is now moved up to 40 if the land at a lower speed. And I believe that your fuel goes down a little bit faster. So that's the game in a nutshell. It was a good game to program. A lot of work with the graphics and the gravity algorithm, but because it accelerates you faster and faster toward the surface, just like normal gravity would. Pretty neat. And then storing the high scores was a challenge in XML, but a good experience to actually put Java to use in programming a game. Thank you for viewing.